What's up, guys? MLG Prankster Gangster back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to live stream from your Xbox One to your YouTube channel. So I know it's been like a month and a half or a month since I've uploaded a video, but I'm back with those weekly uploads. Sometimes, like, if you're lucky, I'll like once every 4 or 5 days, but now school started, so it's pretty hard. But back to the point. So the first things that you're going to need is you're going to need to go to the App Store and look up 2 apps. First one is Mixer. Once you've downloaded that, you're going to go to Omelet Arcade. And then you're going to want to go ahead and download that. Okay, so once you've downloaded both of the apps, you're going to want to go first and foremost. You're going to definitely want to go to Mixer so you can sign into your account right away and not have to worry about it. So I'm already signed in, profile. Wait, no, I'm not? Alright. If you don't have to sign in, but I recommend it because then you can just go right to your channel. But yeah. And then once you've signed in, you're going to want to go to Omelet Arcade. You don't have to make an account on this, I don't think. You just have to sign into your Microsoft account. And then you're going to want to... Wait, not yet. Go to your Xbox. And as you can see, I have my Xbox right here. And first you're going to want to set up your broadcast. Make sure it's ready. Okay, so don't start it yet. Now you're gonna want to go back to Omelet Arcade. No, not my lord. Where is my Omelet Arcade? There it is. It's right next to my Mixer. You're gonna want to click Go Live, and then sign into your YouTube channel where it says like sign into YouTube. As you can see, it says log in with Facebook and log in with Twitch. It's going to say that right here where YouTube is. Sign in with YouTube. So sign into your YouTube account. Make this thing orange. And then you're just going to want to hit next. And then you're going to want to name your stuff and stuff like that. So I'm going to name it NHL 19 blah blah blah. And then hit let's go. I don't know. And then kill cam, nah. Quality. So yeah, that's all you're gonna have to do, and then you're gonna hit done, and now you are live on your phone. Now you're gonna want to quickly start the broadcast on your Xbox. So I just started my broadcast. Now you're gonna want to go to Mixer really quickly, type in your username for your Xbox. And then you're gonna want to click on it. Full screen. That's not what I'm recording, but that's what's gonna show up until you actually like do something with your live stream. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed that video or if it worked for you, hit that like button, and more importantly that subscribe button, because I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, and once I get to 100 subscribers I will be doing way more live streams and stuff like that. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, then good for you, and that's really good. And yeah, peace.